here we are. We're going to log in and give you a demonstration of the data shredder and more importantly the encryption and encryption sharing tools. So we presume you've already installed the app and you've already memorized your password. These are good things. We'll just log in like that, and there's the app. The app cleaner, it's pretty self-explanatory. Click clean. Registry scanner, same thing, scan and then fix once you see the problems. Down here in encrypt, this is one of the coolest areas of this app. And what we're going to do to start with is we're going to encrypt a file. So we're going to go to the desktop and we're going to find a file that we can encrypt. So now we've got a file that we've encrypted. It's just a logo. It could be anything. It could be a legal contract. It could be a financial spreadsheet or a budget. It could be video or audio, pictures, anything that you want to, any data that you want to encrypt. Find the file, encrypt it. Now we're going to come down to share, and we're going to add some contacts. This is something you'll do the first time, and I guess on an ongoing basis as you want to send encrypted files to new people. And all you have to do is type in new contact, type the email address of the person. So in this case we've made some up, contact@gmail.com. Click on the magnifying glass and our servers will find that person for you. You can add that to your contacts. Contact added. Now let's add a second one. We're going to say contact@hotmail.com. And again, click on the magnifying glass. And it's there. So we'll add it to the contacts. Now we've got two contacts. And for a third one, we'll just say contact@anydomain.com, which again is a made-up one, and click on the magnifying glass, and there we are. So add that to contacts. It's really that simple. Now you've got three contacts in your sharing database. We'll close this up. We've encrypted a file. So we're going to just go share, encrypt. It's going to ask you who you want to share that with. You could say we're going to share that with contact 1 and contact 2, but not contact number 3. And what it's going to do is create a file that you can share, and it's only going to be able to be opened by those two recipients that you selected. You can share this file as an attachment to email. You can send it up into Dropbox. You can share it over Skype. I mean, basically it's a secure file that can be shared over insecure channels. So it's that simple. You would just go into My Documents, look for the Optimize.Erase.Encrypt sharing folder, and there's your file. It's time-stamped, so share it with them. It's very cool because when they get the file, they need to be running this app. They will just come down here to encrypt, to share, and to decrypt, and they'll find the file that you sent them and they'll decrypt it. And then they can close that file, and later when they're done working on the computer that day, they can close this app, and the app will automatically encrypt that file and display it in their list of protected files when they log back into the app. So it's pretty cool. And now I'll just demonstrate this data shredder. There's really two areas. The first area is for deleting files or folders. The second one primarily for cleaning an entire drive, and you'd use this periodically. For sure you would use this just before you got rid of your PC. You know, delete all the files you don't want on the computer anymore and then run this, and there will be nothing left. For the time being, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Optimize.Erase.Encrypt sharing folder, find that one file that we just used. We don't need it anymore. And to illustrate the data shredder, I'll delete that file. You see, now that file is permanently deleted off the computer, and you've kept your Optimize.Erase.Encrypt sharing folder clean, which makes it simpler for you. I hope that helps to explain. We're we're confident that this is enough of a dry run for you to understand how to use this. If you do have questions, the PDF is completely thorough, both in English and Spanish. And you can always send us an email at info@connectinprivate.com. And we thank you.